In this lecture, I will discuss about submission drawing or blueprint drawing or ammonia print that is submitted to the authority of submitted to development authority who give the permission to for the construction and for the execution of the architectural drawing. So for that purpose, submission drawing is submitted or the blueprint drawing or the ammonia print, because the print is in the blue form. That's why it's also called the ammonia print. Is submitted to the concerned developing authority of your city, of your country, and after getting the approval from that authority, you have to go for the construction. So what details are needed in the submission drawing? Here, that is a brief or a simple submission drawing format that you have to provide the floor plans of your building and section details, house details slash legend means a number of doors, windows, etc. Specific floor plans with the section locations, with the furniture, minimum furniture details, elevation views means the front elevation views, section views of the building, site plan, and you have to provide also the minor details of the footing, means what type of footing you are providing. Okay, so now I will reveal. Here is the plans. Okay, that is a in this building there are ground floor, first floor, second floor, and the roof. You can say 3-story building. Okay, here is a ground floor plan, first floor plan, second floor plan, roof plan. Okay, then here is a section of the water tank. Okay, so the water tank section, here is a water tank section details, and again here is a ground floor plan with the furniture layout, and that is the elevations. Okay, that is a south side elevation, that is a north side elevation. You have to provide the elevation, at least one elevation, the front elevation. Then the sections. Okay, here you can see in the plan section AA, section BB is shown, so that similarly here section AA and section BB is shown here. And here is a site plan. You have to make the sketch that where your building will be located. So here is a cross showing where your building will be located. Okay, so that's I have shown previously. Now this is the brief overview of the submission drawing, and you can also provide here the open space is present, the little bit foundation details. Okay, now I will zoom. Okay, here you can see the section details. Okay, these are the elevations, furniture, layout. Okay, and here that is a roof detail. Okay, so where the water tank is present, that's true. And here is a schedule of how many beams, slab, column details, door opening, windows opening. So you have to also mention total area of plot, total covered area. Okay, so these information you should provide in the submission drawing. Here is another submission drawing, that is a ground floor plan, first floor plan, second floor plan. Okay, here is a section, front elevation, the septic tank if any present, water tank that is present at the top of the building. Here is a minor foundation details, stair details. So you have to provide these details in the submission drawing. Okay, here is a details of the doors, windows, etc. Here is another submission drawing. Okay, front elevation, cross section. Okay, key plan means where your building will be located, minor beam details, ground floor plan, first floor plan, second floor plan, and septic tank details. Okay, site plan, and here is a schedule of opening, and how much is the covered area. So all types of informations. is also present in the specifications. Similarly, another submission drawing. Okay, so front elevation, ground floor, first floor, key plan, side plan. Okay, so foundation plan, details of stair, and these details you have to provide while you are submitting the submission drawing to your nearest development authority. Here is a submission plans and documents. So you have to before making the submission, you have to get the requirement for the submission of plans from your authority. Means what type of information should be provided in the submission drawing. Okay, so title, site plan, okay, building plans. In the building plans you have to provide plans, sections, elevations of every floor including basement, purpose of building. So all these types of informations, drainage plan, landscape plan. For example, if the area of your building or your property where the construction will be start, that is more than 4 canals, okay, then you have to go for also provide the landscape plan. So before you how much opening for parking, open spaces should be provided in the building. So these all the information you have to get from the developing authority. Then you have to after confirmation the consulting the required sections, elevations as per the authority, then you have to submit for the approval. Okay, so that's all about the submission drawing, blueprint drawing, or you can say ammonia print for today's lecture. Have a nice day.